In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to poke someone on Facebook. It's a fun, nostalgic feature from the early days of the platform that allows you to interact with your friends in a lighthearted way. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's get started. The first step is to open Facebook. Whether you're using a computer or a mobile device, simply launch the Facebook app or go to the Facebook website by typing facebook.com into your browser. Once you're logged in, you'll be on your newsfeed. Now that you're on Facebook, the next step is to locate the search bar, which is typically found at the top left corner of your screen. Click on this search bar and type in the word pokes. Pokes are a fun little nudge you can give to someone, and it's also a chance to see who has poked you. Once you have pokes typed into the search bar, press enter or tap on the search icon. After searching for pokes, you will see several search results. Click on the result that corresponds to your pokes. This will take you to a dedicated section where you can see any pokes you've received, as well as a button to poke your friends. It's important to note that if you're using the mobile app, the layout might differ slightly, but the process is pretty much the same. Once you click on the poke result, you'll find a list of friends who poke back, and some you might want to poke. This is where the fun really begins. You're now in a position to send a poke to your friends. Just look for the poke button next to your friend's name. With a simple click, your poke is sent. Remember, this feature isn't just about sending pokes. You can also see who has poked you recently. If you're feeling playful, you might even want to poke back. Poking on Facebook can be a lighthearted way to remind your friends that you're thinking of them. It adds an element of fun and a little bit of nostalgia, especially for those of us who remember when poking was a huge part of Facebook's charm. It's worth mentioning that not everyone might appreciate being poked, so be mindful of your friends' feelings. If you're wondering why you can't seem to find the poke option, it might be because Facebook has been known to bury certain features over time. If that's the case, searching directly for pokes as we did can still guide you to the right area. And that's pretty much it. You've learned how to poke someone on Facebook, and hopefully, you'll give it a try with your friends. It's a wonderful way to reconnect, or just engage in some friendly banter. Before we wrap up, if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Your support helps us create more content and guides like this one. If you have any friends who might appreciate a friendly poke, now's the perfect time to share this guide with them. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great time poking your friends on Facebook. See you in the next video.